Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's almost nighttime and I just got back from work and I'm gonna go get the goats. So the sun's setting over there and it's up just about dark from everywhere else. Turmeric died down, dried down, so it's almost reaping time, so it's much easier to walk down here. Everything is dried up. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more content soon. Please. I'm not clean though, man. So I didn't tie them out, so I don't know where the other ones are. These ones are easier to find in the dark, so just I go let go them girl here, let them run go home by themselves. I don't know where the other brown one them because I'm hard to find in the dark. So, oh, see one over there, so I guess all of them down here. Been super busy settling at work. Got a new job, so trying to balance everything. See, that one did loose. That one did loose. But him stay by his mother's side. So I'm gone up now. See one over here trying to get my attention. You guys can't see him yet. See her yet. So the eyes. Nah, left you, man. Are you on down here? She a real up to me see her. So I'm gonna let her go, make she go on up too. The other day was super dry. We never have no water down here, but the rain fall. And so we get back water. Look at water in the trench for the pig them. I don't hear the other two browning them, so I'm guessing them not down here because them would have make noise like crazy. So I'm gonna head back up. So like, subscribe, share, turn on your post notification because more content will be dropping more often for the new year. Alright, peace.